Good morning, everyone. Let's see if I can get through this without crying. Today's the day that it's time to say goodbye to Panther. Sam and Johnny are headed home to visit with him one last time. I've moved him into the house because I was afraid I couldn't get him later in the day. He's not happy. I'm not happy. He really stopped eating the last few days, and it's just time. Thanks for being here the past few weeks, watching, sharing the good times and the not so good times with the family. I appreciate all of you. This is not the first time we've lost a pet, a beloved pet, since we started making videos, and they're all rough in their own way. So I'm sure I'll be putting up a slideshow of some pictures, because that's how I cope. And yeah, Panther was just super special, my front porch cat, and I'm sure I'm gonna miss him. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, sweet pea. Here you go. Here you go. Come on, Tux. Come on up, bud. Tux, come on. This way, honey. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Come on. Your food's over here. There you go. There you go, buddy. Okay, Morris, I hear you. I know, I hear you. There you go, buddies. We're gonna lay Panther to rest here somewhere in front of the front porch. Don thinks it's diggable there, and I think having him near where he spent all his time is the right answer. I'm gonna mow while Don digs. I need something to do. I would spend more time in there with him, but you know, he's just not the kind of cat you can go cuddle for a really long time. And when I get upset, I stay in motion. I'm done with the grass, and thank God Don has not run into rocks today. Let me go put the battery on the charger. I am able to do everything up by the house with the 7.5 amp hour. I could have gone down to the street, but I'm just not feeling it today. Hi, Tux. Hi. Hi. I'm coming out to walk the yard and kill Japanese beetles and get a few minutes of heat and sunshine. It's plenty hot out here. Hi, Stripe. I am just from seeing Panther. He's ate more today than he ate the last 2 days. He's really confusing me right this minute, but I know I'd be back here again in a couple of days, and I can't keep us on a roller coaster. I was clear yesterday, and you know, these things are just really super hard. I'm glad he's enjoying his steak, because that's what I fed him. Been trying to help him make red blood cells, and I've been giving him steak. He stopped eating the hamburger. He seemed to like the texture of the of the steak better. This waiting all day has been also hard. And yeah. Just doing the best I can here today. Which is admittedly not super well. We are walking Panther down to his final resting place. Don's idea to come down the front porch stairs, which we don't use a lot, and I think that was good. I'm sure our neighbor wouldn't be mowing right now if he knew what we were going through. It just is my luck. And Panther's always going to be able to look out over his kingdom a couple feet lower, but the house sits on the hill and he's got a great view. Well, Don did all the right things. He stayed with me up there, and I really appreciate Dr. Liz and Jason, who I've known since 1993. A long time, as long as I've known Don.
That's right.
Yeah. And they've, you know, always been here for me, so I have a few impatiens to plant and probably add something else later. Usually I do camellias, but I'm sort of I'm in a maple tree or something mode right now, not a Johnny was out here. The mosquitoes are as bad today as yesterday. Don had to go put on bug spray.
Yeah, they were dive bombing me.
Dr. Liz assured me I did the right thing. We all knew I did the right thing. It just was a really super hard thing.
Any easier.
Nope. Well, I hope we don't have any more super painful, hard, difficult days like this anytime soon.
That's right.
It's just a few impatiens in a hanging basket pot that I had lying around, and I'll probably put something else there, but for now that's good. Are you a good boy now that you've got some cat food? And the kind of cat food you wanted? So the cats have their places that they kind of tend to hang out. And for about 6 weeks now, Panther's been hanging out on the table in the backyard, just up high, all happy. Then 2 days ago, he decided that he now owns the front porch. So hopefully Tux doesn't want to fight him for the front porch, but at any point he's quite happy out here. Aren't you, buddy? And the little one down here is pretty happy too. Hey Panther, you need to go where it's warm, buddy. So if you look really close, you can see a snowflake. Serious. Good morning, Panther. Good morning. How are you? You good boy? Yeah, we put up this cardboard and the comforter here to try to block the wind a little bit for him. Good boy. Apparently they've been up and down the stairs some. There are lots of footprints over there. Yeah. There. Hey, buddy. It's a gorgeous day out here. Panther's here, nice and comfortable in his front porch chair. He's on his heating blanket. Although a few times recently it's been so hot Hi, buddy. He's had to move over to the other chair. Panther is overseeing his kingdom this morning. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hey, bud. And of course, then all the other cats got jealous. Hello, Panther. You're a good buddy. I'm going to do a little work under the house before the guys do their work. I noticed Panther up here. He's trying to not let me see him. Good morning, Panther. How are you? Hi, sweetheart. It's a good boy. Here's Panther. And here's Tux. Now, Panther has no problem with Tux, but Tux has a problem with Panther. But since it's pretty nasty out there tonight, I'm going to leave them be as long as I don't hear any loud complaining from one or the other of them. They're not talking to each other. Right now, it's pretty calm, but we've already had one pretty significant band of rain come through. We don't like all that noise, right, Panther? Merry Christmas, buddy. Merry Christmas. Doesn't matter how many food bowls you supply, they all want to eat out of the same bowl. Well, that's a good boy, Panther.